Dance for the little girl in the nosebleed seats. Here is another nugget of wisdom from my ballet teacher. Welcome to the Loft Ballerina channel. I create content for adult ballet dancers to help with your journey and to share mine. If you're new here and you like it, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check out my other videos. On this channel, I have shared before some of the inspiring and motivating things my ballet teachers say to help us become better dancers. So here's a new one. This one is definitely not only for the adults, but for dancers of all ages. After a less than stellar center combination, one of my teachers got in story mode, as she often does, and it is always worth it. She said, first of all, I want you to always feel like you are dancing, even if it's just class. Imagine you are on stage at the Bolshoi. It's a huge theater, and there are many seats. All the wealthy patrons are sitting in the front rows, and there's special balconies and can clearly see you and appreciate you. But way back in the nosebleed seats, in the last rows of the mezzanine, there's a working class mother who spent a week's or perhaps a month's salary to afford the tickets because her little girl who wants to be a ballerina so bad begged her for months to go see the ballet. She made many sacrifices, and now here they are. They don't have the best view because they could not afford the best seats. They could only afford the cheapest seats. So they don't see you that well. Then she said, when you dance, you have to dance for them. What did she mean? Well, she meant that you have to be extraordinary in your gestures, in your movement. Everything has to be a little extra, a bit more than just going through the motions of the choreography that you know. From the points of the feet to the top of your crown, you have to give it all and then some. You have to emote, you have to express, you have to lift, elongate, and express some more, perform some more, because that little girl is there to see you, and to her, you are her dream. So you have to be extraordinary, you have to be otherworldly. That is what ballet is about. So even if you are just in class, think about that little girl and her dreams. Because what you do in class is what you will do on stage. Like they say in the army, train as you fight. Maximum effort always. Perhaps at one point in your life, that little girl was you. And some ballerina did all of the things I said above, and that helped you keep going because you saw how extraordinarily she danced and she moved. So perhaps you're not a professional prima ballerina, but a person that likes and practices ballet. And no matter your age or experience level, I believe this advice still stands true for you. If every time the music starts, either in class or actually on stage, you dance at your very, very best, and you invest all your hard-learned technique and then add artistry and emotion enough so even the little girl in the nosebleeds can be moved, then everyone else will see it too, and you will feel it and know you did your best. As my ballet teachers' stories usually do, this resonated quite a lot with me, and I especially try to remember this on the days when I don't feel 100% because I'm an adult, and sometimes I'm tired when I go to class, and sometimes I have a lot on my mind. So I try to put this advice to use and only think of what I am doing in class and think of that little girl. And in the process, doing this day in and day out helps me become a better, more expressive dancer. Well, lovelies, I hope you found this story useful, and I hope it helps you in your dancing journey. Thanks for watching, and I will link here another video of another one of my teachers wisdom nuggets. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Keep dancing, keep getting better every day, and I will see you on the next one.